Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss May-June 2024 paper, and it's paper 3 of May-June 2024. Now let's see the question number 1. This one is the first question. Solve the equation. Give your answer correct to 3 decimal place. Now first of all, what we have to do, we have to take log on both sides. So log of this will be 8 power 3 minus 6x is equals to log of 4 multiplied by 5 power minus 2x. Now this will be, we have to use the power rule here. Now this will be 3 minus 6x into log of 8. Then we will have, this will be equals to log of 4 plus log of 5 power minus 2x. Now if we simply multiply it, this will be log of 8 minus 6x log of 8, and here this will be natural log of 4 plus, now here we have to use the power rule again. This will be minus 2x into log of 5. Now if we just rearrange it, this will become 2x log of 5 minus 6x log of 8 is equals to log of 4 minus 3 log of 8 minus 3 log of 8. Now if we take x as common, so this will be x 2 into natural log of 5 now. 2 into log of 5 minus 6 into log of 8 is equals to log of 4 minus 3 log of 8. Now x is equals to log of 4 minus 3 log of 8 whole divided by 2 log of 5 minus 6 log of 8. Now we need to we can use the calculator and simplify the answer. That this will be log of 4 minus 3 log of 8 divided by 2 log of 5 bracket close minus 6 log of 8. So this will be equals to 0.524. Now if we correct it to the 3 decimal place as given in this, as it was the instruction that we need to correct it up to 3 decimal place, that is why x will be equals to 0.524. This will be the final answer. Let's move to the second question, question number 2. Now find the exact coordinates of the stationary point of the curve. We know that at stationary point, and we have to keep the range in our mind, we know that at the stationary point dy by dx will be equals to 0. Now what we have to do is we need to keep this thing in our mind and the range also. Now first let's find out dy by dx. Dy by dx will be equals to first into derivative of second sine 2x plus second into derivative of first. Now if we simplify it, this will be the derivative of sine is cos 2x, e power 2x into cos 2x. If we take the internal derivative, it will be 2 plus sine 2x into the derivative of this will be e power 2x multiplied by 2. Now this will be equals to 2e power 2x cos of 2x plus 2e power 2x sine of 2x. Now we know that at stationary point dy by dx will be equals to 0. That is why 0 is equals to, we have to take this common. So cos of 2x plus sine of 2x. Now we know that this thing cannot be negative. So that is why we can write it as, we know that 2e power 2x cannot be equals to 0. That is why we will not go further. The other one is cos of 2x plus sine of 2x is equals to 0. Now if we simplify it, this will be sine of 2x is equals to minus cos of 2x, and if we cross multiply it, sine 2x by cos 2x will be equals to minus 1, and then this will be tan 2x is equals to minus 1. Now if we take it, if we use the basic trigonometric forms, so this will be 2x will be equals to, let's find out the reference angle first. So 2x will be equals to tan inverse of 1, because for reference angle we have to take it positive. Now tan inverse of 1, but keep this thing in mind that your calculator should be in the radian mode. So shift tan inverse of 1, this will be equals to pi by 4. Now let's see that 2x is equal, reference angle is pi by 4. So we need to just use it that tan is negative. So tan is negative in two quadrants, CAST. Tan is negative in this one and in this one. So this will be equals to, so the first angle for, so the x will be equals to, in fact 2x. So 2x will be equals to what? 2x will be equals to, we will have two values. The first one will be pi minus pi by 4. 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 And the other one will be pi 2 pi minus pi by 4. Now from here we can say 2x will be equals to, let's see, shift pi minus pi by 4. Pi by 4, this will be equals to 3 by 4 pi. 3 by 4 pi. And the other one will be 2 pi minus pi by 4. So 2 pi minus pi by 4, this will be equal to 7 by 4 pi. 7 by 4 pi. 7 by 4 pi. Now if we need to find out the value of x, so x will be equals to, divide x on both sides, this will be 3 by 8 pi and the other one will be 7 by 8 pi. So we will ignore this one, we will ignore this one, but we will consider only this x coordinate. Now let's find out the y coordinate. For y coordinate, this will be equals to, just put it in the first one, 3 by 8 pi. So y will be equals to, it was e power 2 by 3 by 8 pi, and then sine of 2x. So 2x means 2 by 3 by 8 pi. So this will be equals to, we have to use the exact values. So y will be equals to, y coordinate will be equals to, let's find out this one. 4. So sine of 3 by 4 pi. Let's see. Sine of 3 by 4 pi. 3 by 4 pi. So this will be equal to square root of 2 by 2. So we can write it as square root of 2 by 2 e power 3 by 4 pi. This will be the x coordinate. Now let's see the final answer. That stationary point will be 3 by 8 pi, and the other one will be square root of 2 by 2 e power 3 by 4 pi. This will be the final answer. Let's move to the next question. Question number 3. The square root of this can be expressed in Cartesian form, where x and y are real and exact. Find by first forming quadratic equation, find the square root of this in Cartesian form. So we know that the very first line is that square root of 24 minus 7i is equal, can be expressed as this thing. So if we take square on both sides, this will be 24 minus 7i is equals to x plus yi whole square. Now what we can do is just open it up. This will be 24 minus 7i is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. And finally we can say that 24 minus 7i is equals to x square minus y square plus 2xyi. Now comparing coefficients, comparing real and imaginary parts. Real and imaginary parts. So real and imaginary parts, what we have to do? We have to just write it as x square minus y square is equals to 24, and the other one will be 2xy is equals to minus 7. Now from the second one, we can write it as x will be equals to minus 7 by 2y. And from here we can say that just put equation 1 in equation 2. Now this will be minus 7 by 2y minus y square is equals to 24. And from here if we go further, this will be 49 by 4y square minus y square is equals to 24. And then this will be 49 minus y 4y4 4y4 whole divided by 4y square is equals to 24. So this will be 49 minus 4y4 is equals to 24 into 4 will be equals to 96. 24 into 4, 96 y square. Now if we just simply rearrange it, this will be 4y4 plus 96 y square minus 49 is equals to 0. Now from here we can easily find out the values of x and y. Let's say let a is equals to y square and a square will be equals to y4. So this will be 4a square plus 9a minus 49 is equals to 0. Now just use the calculator. Mod 5 3, a is 4, b is 9, c is minus 49. So this will be, we will have the values like this, that a is equals to 2.55, A is equals to 2.55, or we can use the midterm breaking also, but here we will have two values, like A is equals to, first one is 2.5513, 2.5513, and second one will be, let's see this one, this will be minus 4.801, minus 4.801. Now just replace it. X square is equal, y square is equals to 2.5513, and A is equals to, sorry, y square is equals to minus 4.801. If we take square on both sides, we cannot go further for this one. And if we just take square root on this side, so y will be equals to 2.5513, and just simply take square root of the answer. This will be equals to 1. Okay, but here there is a problem that we have to take the exact answers. So that is why we cannot use the decimal forms, because in the question they have mentioned that we have to find the square root of this in exact Cartesian form. Okay, so it means we have to use what? We have to use the fraction form, or we have to use the midterm breaking. What we can do from here, that we can, if we just simply use the midterm breaking, this will be 2y square minus 1, 2y square minus 1 into 2y square plus 49. I think this will be the solution. Yes, it is. Now if we simplify it, we have to basically use the, let me recheck the final things. Okay. Now there is a slight change here. That is why the answers were not accurate. That this one is 96 here. Okay. This one should be 96 here. Yes. 4y square plus 96y, 4y4 plus 96y square minus 49 is equals to 0. Now let's say, because a is equals to, let's say, y square, and a square will be equals to y4. Now from here, 4a square plus 96a minus 49 is equals to 0. Now let's use this thing. 5, 3, a is 4, b is 96, and c is minus 49. One answer is x is a is equals to 1 by 2, a is equals to 1 by 2, and a is equals to minus 49 by 2, minus 49 by 2. Now from here we know that y square is equals to 1 by 2, and here a is equals to, y square is equals to minus 49 by 2. So this one will be a negative number, so we cannot go further. Will be undefined, so we cannot go further. This will be, y will be equals to plus minus square root of 1 by 2, which means we will have two answers. One will be plus 1 by square root of 2, and second one will be minus 1 by square root of 2. Let's find out the value of x now. We know that in this chart we have x is equal to minus 7 by 2y. So x is equals to minus 7 by 2y, which means x is equals to, let me use the calculator, that fraction minus 7 by 2 into again fraction 1 by square root of 2 square root of 2. So this will be equals to minus 7 square root of 2 by 2 minus 7 square root of 2 by 2. Now the other one will be, this will be the x coordinate for, and its y coordinate is 1 by square root of 2. Now the other one will be what? The other one will be, we need to just change it here. Okay, we just simply remove this negative one. We will get 7 square root of 2 by 2. So for negative 1, for negative 1 by square root of 2, the answer y will be equals to 7 square root of 2 by 2. Now if we write it in the final form, we will have two values. The first one will be minus 7 square root of 2 by 2. This will be the x coordinate when y is 1 by, this will be the x coordinate plus 1 by square root of 2 I, or the other one will be 7 square root of 2 by 2 minus 1 by square root of 2I. This will be the final answer. I hope that the question is clear and the concept is clear. Let's move to question number 4. Now, question number 4 is this one. The variable x and y satisfies the equation this, where k or the graph of natural log against this straight line passing through the points is as shown in the diagram. Find the value of k and c. Give each value correct to two significant figures. Find the value of k, give each value correct to two significant figures. Now first of all, we know that ky is equals to e power cx. Let me write it over here. Ky is equals to e power cx. Now if we take natural log on both sides, so natural log of ky is, because we know that on x-axis it's natural log, on y-axis it's natural log, and on x-axis it's x. So now take natural log on both sides, e power cx. This will be natural log of k plus natural log of y is equals to cx natural log of e. Now this will be natural log of e will be equals to 1, because we know that natural log of x is equals to basically log of x to the base e. That is why if we have natural log of x, natural log of e, It means log of e to the base e, which will be equals to 1. We can just verify it using the calculator also. Log of e will be equals to 1. That is why we can directly write it as natural log of y is equals to cx minus natural log of k. And from here we can say that if we just simply look at this one, because we know that this one is a straight line, so if it is a straight line, this will be like y is equals to mx plus c. The equation, if we compare these two, this will be like this: y is equals to mx plus c. Now we have 2 points and the equation of the line. Now this one is basically the equation of the line, and we have 2 points. So what we can do, we can just put one by one. We know that let's put the first one 5.10 and the other one is 2.21. So natural log of, by the way, on x-axis, on y-axis, it's natural log already, because this coordinate is x and this coordinate is natural log of y. That is why we will directly put the equation. So 2.21 is equals to 5.1 cx. 5.1 x coordinate is 5.1 c minus natural log of k. Then the other one will be the, if we put the second equation, second point, the coordinates of the second point was 2.8 and 0.372. 2.8 and 0.372. Now this will be equals to, just put it over here, 0.372. 372 is equals to 2.8 c minus natural log of k. Natural log of k. Now we need to find the value of k and c. Okay. Now we have two equations and two unknown variables. We need to simplify it simultaneously. So from the first one, let's say, let's add these, let's subtract these two equations. So 2.21 is equals to 5.1 c minus natural log of k, and the other one is 0.372 is equals to 2.8 c minus natural log of k. If we subtract these two, this will be negative, negative and positive. We can cancel out these two. So 5.1, 5.1, 5.1 minus 2.8, this will be equals to 2.3. So 2.3 c, and the other one will be 2.21 minus 0.372. So this will be equals to 1.88 divided by 1.888 divided by 2.3 divided by 2.3. So the value of c will be equals to 0.799. C will be equals to 0.799. Let me check that we need the, okay, correct two significant figures. So 0.78. C will be equals to 0.78. Now just put it in the other one, we will get the value of k. We know that natural log of k is equals to 2.8 into 0.78 minus 0.372. So let me use, multiply it with 2.8 minus 0.372. So this will be equals to 1.8655. So natural log of k is equals to 1.86. Now if we just rearrange it, if we change it into the log form, so this will be basically e power into exponential form 1.866 is equals to k. So we can write it as e to the power answer. This will be equals to 6.459, which means 6.5. So k will be equals to 6.5. This will be the final answer. This will be the value of c. This will be the value of k. Let's move to the next one. Question number 5. Express this in partial form. Now, if we can easily express this in partial form, what we have to do is that first of all, this one is not a proper fraction, so we need to divide it. So what we have to do, 6x square minus 2x plus 2, and then we have 2x square minus x minus 1. Now if we divide it, we need to just take it like, if we multiply it with 3, this will be 6x square minus 3x minus 3, and then minus plus minus, we can cancel out these two. This will be x plus 5. So finally we can say that this will be now 3 plus x plus 5 divided by x minus 1 into 2x plus 1. Now let's simplify this part separately, that x plus 5 divided by x minus 1 into 2x plus 1 is equals to a by x minus 1 plus b by 2x plus 1. Now x plus 5 is equals to a into 2x plus 1 plus b into x minus 1. Now if you put x is equals to 1, what will be the answer? 6 is equals to a into 2 into 0, 2x plus 1. So 2 plus 1, which means 3. So a will be equals to 2. Now let's find out. Let's say 2x plus 1 is equals to 0, which means x is equals to minus 1 by 2. Now if we put x is equals to minus 1 by 2, this will be equals to minus 1 by 2 plus 5 is equals to 0 plus b into minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So from here we will have uh, 9 by 2 is equals to b into minus 1 by 2 means this will be minus 3 by 2, and finally we will have b will be equals to minus 3. Just put it here. So this will be equals to 3 plus 2 by x minus 1 minus 3 by 2x plus 1. So this will be the final answer. I hope that the concept is clear, and if you have any question, you can ask it in the comment section. I think that is it for today. Tomorrow we will discuss the remaining questions uh, from from the paper 2024. Thank you.